Hey everyone, Shaunna Burhop with Beard & Warner. Welcome to my listing at 1076 Claremont in Palatine. It's a great 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath maintenance-free townhome with an open floor plan and great space for everyone. It's set in a great lot next to a preserve, and you'll have a beautiful tranquil courtyard right out front to enjoy. You'll love it here. From the entry, you'll walk up to the main living space, which has been beautifully updated with neutral paint and on-trend lighting. The breakfast bar is a great spot to grab a quick meal, or friends can chat while you're prepping in the kitchen. The kitchen offers access to the deck, great eating space, abundant cabinetry and countertops, views to the main living area, and a stainless steel oven and refrigerator. Upstairs, you'll find 2 bedrooms, including the master suite with double doors, fresh neutral paint, white doors and trims, and a private master bath. The second bedroom is generously sized and also features private bathroom space. The lower level makes a perfect den, office, or even guest room space.